Hello and welcome back to the 7th House Art Studio, where today we are showcasing the Crayola limited editions. What? Okay, that was weird. It said power off. Okay, well let's carry on. So first of all, I want to point out this nail polish from Dollar Tree called Cosmic Colors Mirror Effect. It stained my nails. So just a little public service announcement on that. Okay, so I got these at Staples. And let's look at the pencils first. Crayola Limited Edition Collection Colored Pencils. These colored pencils have been assembled to celebrate select retired Crayola crayons. Each of the 8 pencil represents a color formerly retired from our crayon lineup. You got mulberry, raw umber, lemon yellow, dandelion, blizzard blue, magic mint, violet blue, and orange red. Pre-sharpened. So I'm curious if there's more than 8, that they could have made a bigger pack if they've retired more than 8. I don't know. Whoa, okay, that shot out of there. So we're going to test them on regular notebook paper. Let me try to zoom in. And then we're going to compare them with the crayons to see if they're the same color. So this is the lemon yellow, or no, what is this one? Lemon yellow. They feel like you would a normal Crayola color pencil would feel like. Dandelion. That's okay. Of course, I am using just regular notebook paper, so. Okay. This is orange red. Kind of looks like a salmon. But no, here it's orange red. Okay. And this is mulberry. Or mulberry. Alright, do you know if they've retired more than 8 colors? I'm sure there has been. Coming to mind is Prussian blue. And we got Magic Mint, not to be confused with Magic Mike. Of course, I did not sharpen these because sometimes they get that weird coating on them. This is raw umber. Okay, it's kind of a weak color. And this is blizzard blue. It's weird, I don't know if you find this one, but with Crayola color pencils, some of them look fantastic. They go down so smoothly, they're so vibrant, and some of them are a pain in the ass. Violet blue. Okay, so there's the pencils. And I did look, I do have this box here, and I wanted to check to see if they were in this set, and they are not, so I guess they are truly retired colors. Alright, so this is the limited edition 64 pack of crayons, and it's a new color assortment, and it includes 8 retired colors, and those are the same as the pencils: the dandelion, raw umber, magic mint, lemon yellow, blizzard blue, mulberry, violet blue, and orange red. And it has a sharpener included. Okay. So here's your assortment. What is this one? This one looks really pretty. Radical red. Okay, so I gotta find in here these ones. Oh, this ought to be fun. This looks like it could be dandelion. Oh, it is dandelion. Maybe this is blizzard blue. Blizzard blue. What do we got here? Lemon yellow. Lemon yellow. Lemon yellow. Wow. I know my colors. Mulberry. Oh, it's gonna be a little trickier. Razzle something. No. Wish they had them like in a different color wrapper so they would stand out. That would have been a good idea. So bear with me here while I try to find this mulberry one. Oh yeah, yeah. What am I doing? Oh, there it is. Are they in a different color? Maybe they are. Well, what do you know? Okay, so let's look for those. No. Oh yeah, that's violet blue. That's one of them. Yeah, okay. Orange red. Raw umber. Is that all of them? Let's see, one, two, three, four, five, six. I'm missing one. Which one am I missing? Which one? I don't know which one I'm missing. And I'm dropping. Let's see. Orange red. Orange red. Raw umber. Raw umber. Lemon yellow. Mulberry. Violet blue. Dandelion. And blizzard. I am missing magic mint. Okay. Now that I know which one it is. There it is. Okay. So let's compare the colored pencil to the crayon. So this one here was lemon yellow. It's just the same color as my nails. Oh. It is just a little bit different. Not a whole lot. Dandelion. Of course, you know, the color is going to be a little different because of the material it's actually made out of. Orange red. The crayons seem to have a more vibrant color. Not a whole lot different, but mulberry. Magic mint. Raw umber. These are really close to each other. Blizzard blue. Violet blue. Okay. They're really close. So the top row is the colored pencil and the bottom row is the crayons. Yeah, they're the same colors. Wow. Cool. So there you go. Now that you know that Crayola has a new assortment of crayons, 64 pack with 8 retired ones in it. And they also have the '8th edition of the retired colors. And whether you get crayons or pencils, the colors are the same. So thank you, and if you found this content in any way that you liked it, give it a thumbs up, make a comment, and consider subscribing. Thank you.